Developing right now, several students sickened and hundreds of students evacuated after a possible carbon monoxide leak inside a Mid-South school. It happened at Cape Bond Middle School, that's in Northeast Memphis. School officials called paramedics when one student reported shortness of breath. When paramedics got there, well, they found 4 students inside the school's nursing office complaining of feeling ill. More than 1,100 students were evacuated to the elementary school next door. And Lieutenant Wayne Cook says it was found that a heating unit above the classroom on the roof was leaking levels of carbon monoxide. But now the department has retracted that statement and thoroughly confirming now that it was indeed carbon monoxide. An additional 18 students were tested for carbon monoxide as a precaution, and we're told that these 4 students were taken to Baptist East to be checked out.
As we reimagine 901, we're talking about aging facilities and we're talking about deferred maintenance. And so that is one of the challenges that we have around updating our facilities and our equipment. And so we're learning more about the age of that particular unit. And we do not know about school as far as tomorrow, but we'll wait on the fire department to give us the clear.
And Local 24 News was told that these AC heating units are about 8 years old. We saw 2 Memphis fire trucks arrive there about an hour ago. Meantime, Lieutenant Cook says testing is currently being done to make sure there is no sign of carbon monoxide at the school.